Herd IQ is an AI application for the Ibex Pro Next and Lite Next ultrasound systems by EI Medical. It has been trained over tens of thousands of images to identify bovine pregnancies as early as 28 days, with greater than 99% accuracy. Additional models are in development, so stay tuned. Herd IQ analyzes images in real time, looking for positive markers of pregnancy. When it reaches a minimum requirement for diagnosis, the progress bar turns green to indicate that a pregnancy has been detected. Herd IQ might be a good tool for you if you are new to ultrasound and struggling with confidence, a practice or business owner training new associates or employees, working in academia or research, or just looking for ways to increase efficiency and decrease human error. If you're concerned about AI taking your place, rest assured that Herd IQ will only positively identify a pregnancy that it has shown. It is important to note that a lack of pregnancy determination does not necessarily guarantee an open cow, as Herd IQ cannot identify what it has not seen. Human skill is still required to perform the physical scan and to ensure that the entire uterus has been visualized. Therefore, if you're an experienced ultrasonographer, this model may not provide a lot of value for you. However, it can eliminate instances where a less confident scanner may mistake the urinary bladder, a blood vessel, a follicle, an inflamed uterus, or a fresh cow for a pregnancy. All Ibex Next ultrasound models already have the hardware to run HIQ. You can take advantage of a 90-day free trial, after which an annual subscription is $500. If you don't yet own an ultrasound system from the incredible Ibex Next platform, reach out today for more information. Your Ibex Next ultrasound must be on firmware version 2.1.1 or newer to run Herd IQ. To check your firmware version, go to Settings, and then System Info. If you determine that you need to update your firmware, visit the web address shown, and follow the instructions to download and install. Be sure that you're setting your system up for Herd IQ in a location with a Wi-Fi network available for internet access. After the update is complete, perform a system reset to wipe old settings and employ the new ones. Be sure to export your images or perform a backup first, so as not to lose them. To initiate the reset, go to Settings, System, and Reset, and then choose Reset System. On the Welcome page, confirm the information at the top, then scroll to the bottom and agree to the EIMI data policy. Please note that this step is required for access to Herd IQ. Confirm your country, and then connect the ultrasound to a Wi-Fi network for internet access. The next will connect to the internet and verify an active license. If successful, it will display the license type and expiration date. The Herd IQ logo and diagnostic display will now appear on the main screen. Herd IQ is connected to the auto standby feature and will begin analyzing the image content when it detects an active scan. It will reset each time the next re-enters standby mode. While scanning, live image information is passed to the AI processor, and diagnostic information is displayed in the upper right corner of the image. As uterus and ovary structures are identified in the image, the corresponding indicators will change colors, and the progress bar will fill. Once 20 valid images are collected, Herd IQ will begin to assess for evidence of a pregnancy. If a pregnancy is detected, the progress bar will change to green and "Pregnant" will be displayed. If more images are collected that suggest the pregnancy is not valid, the progress bar and pregnant indicator will revert to red.